So here's the deal. The highest threat for severe weather is going to be for this evening. We will have a couple more storms into our Wednesday, and the good news is we take a break from the shower activity. Very quiet Thursday and Friday on tap. Now here's a snapshot at your next 3 days. Tomorrow we'll hold on to a chance for a couple of showers. Notice temperatures are going to be in the mid 80s, and some of us are going to get closer towards 90 degrees as we approach Thursday. Today, though, it's all about watching radar and the potential for some of these stronger storms to develop. So here's a snapshot at 7 o'clock this evening. That's when I could start to see some of these fire up. Now, within these thunderstorm cells, I'll be watching for some hail. That's going to be the biggest threat for us this evening, and it could be large hail at that. Some gusty wind with these storms, not out of the question, 60-mile-an-hour plus. And then even some rotations showing up in our models. So all of the severe threats are going to be something to watch for tonight. Temperature wise, we're staying warm, we're staying mild and muggy. You'll notice those temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 60s through the overnight hours. So waking up tomorrow morning, 67 degrees for San Angelo, will be at 69 for Abilene. Brady will be at 67. Tomorrow, still have your umbrella handy, still have radar. Watch it before you head out the door, because we'll still have a couple of stronger afternoon storms. I think by tomorrow evening, your threat for some downpours and a couple of gusty wind storms are going to start to diminish. Notice temperatures, though, staying very healthy. 84 degrees for San Angelo. Those temperatures pushing up to the low 80s for Sonora. For Brady, you'll be in the upper 70s. 78 is where you top off tomorrow. Now, here's how your severe weather threat breaks down for our Wednesday. You'll notice for the Wichita Falls area, that's where there's a higher risk for severe storms. It's a threat level 2 on the 1 to 5 scale. Then the risk drops off the further south you go. So San Angelo, you're looking at a threat level 1 for our Wednesday, but still an isolated storm with gusty wind. That's going to be the primary concern. Gusty wind is going to stay with us throughout this evening into tomorrow. Just think, as long as the storm potential is there, you will definitely feel periods of some elevated wind gusts. Notice at 30 to even 40 miles an hour for Big Spring through this evening. A couple of wind gusts picking up again for tomorrow afternoon. That's a snapshot at 4 o'clock. You're looking at wind gusts at 20 to even 30 miles an hour. And then eventually, once these storms pass, once these short waves, these disturbances start to roll out of the area, will relax, and we're really looking at a very quiet and comfortable, for the most part, Thursday, Friday. Yes, so we're going to be running on the warm side, temperatures continuing to heat up through the end of the work week, and then we're looking at a nice front that's going to cool us off this weekend. A 20% chance for a couple of isolated showers as you start off your Saturday, and then the good stuff rolls in. Those temperatures are going to stay capped in the upper 60s to low 70s for your Saturday and Sunday. Notice Sunday, you do not need to carry your umbrella. That's a good day to pencil in some outdoor activities. And then as we head into the start of the week, we're still enjoying some mild temperatures, a very small chance for an isolated shower on Monday and Tuesday, and that'll do it. Much quieter on the second half of the 7-day.